Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. It is Convention Time 2024 and these are our virtual hauls. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Deadpool and Friends High Five exclusive figures. Okay, so this particular product was purchasable online as part of WizKids virtual convention. Okay, unfortunately, we were not able to attend the face-to-face Gen Con 2024 that happened in the US, but nonetheless, it was a pleasant surprise from WizKids to make some of the items virtually available for Heroclix players, especially as international. So kudos to WizKids for that particular move and decision. Okay, so you can see here, this particular item contains 4 pre-painted collectible miniatures, game pieces. These are promo figures, and we have Deadpool, Death, Hitmonkey, and Hellcow. On the side, we see Deadpool and Hitmonkey. On the other side, we see Death and Hellcow. And at the back, the same illustration. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into unboxing the figures. And here we go. Oop. There you go. The cards are stuck in the box. Okay. So we have here the 4 figures. You can see they are complete. And we're going to take a look at all the cards just to make sure that everything is in order and quality control. Okay, so we have Hellcow, Hitmonkey, Death, and Deadpool. Okay, so let's take a look at the figures one at a time. Starting off with the Merc with a mouth, the main hero for this particular set, Deadpool. Okay, so Deadpool is MVP, okay, 24-004 with the X-Men team ability and keywords Avengers, Deadpool Core, Weapon X, X-Force Assassin. A couple of traits. The first one is Up High, Deadpool. Once per turn, when Deadpool is hit, after resolutions trigger the down low trait of all adjacent friendly characters, which is for his case, the down low Deadpool. When triggered, heal a friendly character 1 click. Okay, so they have to be close to each other though, okay, or adjacent. Okay, that's why he's doing the high five pose here. Okay. And he also has a special damage, a defense power rather, cursed with immortality, super senses. When Deadpool is hit after resolutions, roll a d6, heal Deadpool equal to half the result. Wow. So after is hit, okay, not when damage. Okay. Interesting. Wade Wilson, Hawkeye versus Deadpool for 2015 is the significant appearance. Okay, 75 or 50 points. Okay, you can see the stats here. 12 attack penetrating with leadership. I think it's good for 75. Okay, let's go to the next one, which is Mistress Death. Okay, so you can see here, they should be able to high five each other. Okay, high five. Okay, interesting. So the lovers here, by the way, they are unique, all of them. Okay, so let's go to Death. Death is MVP 24005 with a Cosmic Team ability, Deadpool Core, Cosmic Deity Mystical. Once per turn, when a character is KO'd, trigger the down low for all adjacent friendly characters. And for her, it's deal 1 penetrating damage to an opposing character within 4 squares. So a little bit of retribution. She also has a special damage power, which is Exploit Weakness Perplex, the most ancient promise. Death and Deadpool and Death annual 1 significant appearance. Okay. So you guys high five there. Let's go to the next one, which is Hitmonkey. Okay. So So Hit Monkey is a red suit assassin monkey. Okay. 006, Deadpool core, animal assassin with a team player ability. Up high is the same, okay, but his down low is when triggered, move a friendly character up to 2 squares. So they're like sidestepping. And a special movement power, he's a hitman who's a monkey. That's why he's Hit Monkey. Running shot, sidestep, and stealth. Okay, with senses, RCE, and precision strike. 75 and 40 points. This is 75 and 50. So the 4 of them might be 300 points all in all. Top dial. Okay. There you go. Unknown name. Appearance is Deadpool 19. Okay. Another appear here. Okay. And the last one, certainly not the least, is Hellcow. MVP 24007, team player, team ability, Deadpool core, animal monster. Okay. Up high Hellcow. The same. And then the down low is when triggered, remove an action token from a friendly character. Okay, he has a trait, third trait. At the beginning of your turn, you may choose that this turn Hellcow has flight and can carry 3 and modifies her speed +2 and attack -2. Cow or bat hybrid form. So he becomes a pilot for the other 3. Attack +2. Speed +2 rather. Speed +2, making it 10. Tap click and attack -2. Okay. 75 and 50 points with prob and impervious at the top dial. Bessie's significant appearance is from Deadpool team up 885-2011. Okay, so you can see her sculpt here. He's a vampire cow. Okay, there you go. Okay, double checking if the dials are correct. And they seem to be. Oops, sorry, I dropped dead. Hope she didn't die. And she's also the correct dial. Okay, so these are good. It's a fun set. I would have loved it more if, for example, Hit Monkey is faced the other way. Okay, so I guess that works for what it's worth. Okay, but I would have wanted Hit Monkey oriented to the right. Okay, just to be able to have 2 sets of high-fiving figures. Okay, but what do you guys think rather of this particular set? Share your thoughts in the comments. And again, thank you, WizKids. Happy to have this in my collection. Bye bye.